Welcome to Incredible App channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back deleted photos in your Android phone. So at first, open up your gallery. Now from here, if I delete this photo, now if you want to back your deleted photo, just tap on this icon, then tap on recycle bin. And that's it. On the recycle bin, you can find your deleted photos. If you want to back this deleted photo, just touch and hold it. And at the bottom, you can see restore option, then just tap on restore. And it's done. Now just go back and that's it. And that way you can find your deleted photos. Now if you want to find deleted photos on Google Photos, just open up your Google Photos app. Now from here, if I delete this photo, now if you want to find your deleted photo, just tap on collections, then go to bin option, and that's it. On the bin you can find your deleted photos. If you want to restore this, just tap on restore, then tap on allow, and you can see it's restored successfully. And that is how you can back your deleted photos in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.